Hi guys, we are continuing with our day 6 videos of selected InfyTQ problems from the first module, that is programming fundamentals with Python, and we are in our fourth problem of day 6. And in this problem we have to write a Python function that is find underscore smallest underscore number, which accepts a number n and returns the smallest number having n divisors. For example, if I want a number which has at least 16 divisors, the minimum number must be 120 in order to get 16 divisors. So let's go to our PyCharm and let's start coding this particular problem. So what we would do, we would be taking an input of a function as the number of divisors that is required, and we would be starting from 1 and we would be increasing till that number till we get the desired number of factors. So let's see how to do that. Let's create a new Python file as problem 30. So let's create a function as find underscore smallest underscore number, and which has a parameter as n. So let's begin our num as 1 and let's keep an infinite loop, and we would be exiting if our condition matches. If the length, let's just see this code once, then I would be explaining you. Let me code it once. For I in range, it is ranging from 1 to num plus 1, and if num mod I is equal to 0, if this len is equal to the number of factors that is required, I have to return num. So what I am doing here exactly, I am taking each number from this particular range from 1 to number, and if the number is divisible by I, the particular number, we are taking number I from range 1 to that particular number, and if the number is divisible by I am including I in the list, and if it is not divisible, I am not including I in the list. And if the length of this entire list is equal to the number of divisors that is required, the first occurrence would be returning the number to the calling method. So we are getting the minimum number for which there are 16, where there are n divisors, and if it is not equal, I would be just increasing my number by 1. This is actually a brute force method. So we would be printing it find underscore smallest underscore number, and suppose if I pass 16, that is I want the number of divisors equal to 16. If I run this code, it would be problem 30. So run problem 30. I am getting 120 as the output had suggested for as the expected output for the problem. So we have coded this properly, guys, and we are getting a desired result. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope so this helped you. See you in the next one.